Hello and welcome to Earn US Dollars from Anywhere. My name is Janice and I help people who are from any part of the world to make money online. I want to show you how I make money online. And so today I will introduce you to Cryptex. But before I do that, I want to make a disclaimer. What you hear in this video is not financial advice, but to present you with information. Everything is associated with risk, even your job. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. There are no guarantees of income. You are responsible for your decisions and your transactions. Income examples are estimates of what you may earn. So today, let me introduce you to Cryptex. Cryptex is a community-based project where operation is anonymous. There is no CEO, company, business, or location. Cryptex utilizes a blockchain-based DeFi staking protocol as its point for earning. Cryptex maintains partnerships with banks, insurance companies, and individual account holders, participants, working uniformly to generate profit for all parties involved. Cryptex provides anonymity for all parties. Operating since 2016, there are over 750,000 account holders, participants worldwide. The players here are the DeFi staking contracts, the account holder, participant, the insurance company, and the banks. Method of earning here is DeFi staking. What is DeFi staking? It is the process of keeping your assets in a smart contract in exchange for the accumulation of interest. Crypto assets are locked for a contractual period of time in order to generate passive income. Locked assets protect the blockchain network's ability to generate crypto profits, and as a reward, the staker participant receives returns. DeFi staking is considered the modern savings account, but much more lucrative because daily rewards are possible with staking. Cryptex averages a variable 0.1% to 0.3% per day from staking, and compounds the interest daily for profitable returns. What is the product asset? The DeFi hybrid contract. This is the contractual agreement between the contract, the insurance company, and the bank. The contract contains the provision of capital in USD, which is the starting balance, given by the bank to the contract for a term of 2, 3, 5, or 7 years. Users activate a contract. Each contract has a non-refundable activation fee of only 100 USD, deposited in cryptocurrency Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, which is used for distribution and inter-system operations. Account holder participant. To participate, with only a 100 USD activation fee, you can secure a 2, 3, 5, or 7-year DeFi staking hybrid contract, which contains a starting balance of $30,240 for 2 years, $30,240 for 3 years, $43,200 for 5 years, $43,200 for 7 years. Each participant is considered an account holder and may open an account anonymously with just an email address upon registration. These starting balances compound over the length of the term. The insurance company insures the wallet for loss and default and was developed by the partner insurance company specifically for the Cryptex project. Why would the insurance company do this? The insurance company stands to benefit financially by receiving secure monthly bonuses from the staking profits of every single contract. They receive this without interruption for the entire term of the contract. This is automated, removes the human factor, and assures that they can collect. The bank, based on the insurance coverage, the partner bank they work with provides the capital for the contract, 2, 3, 5, or 7 years. Why would the bank do this? The bank benefits financially by receiving secure annual interest from the staking profits without interruption for the entire term of the contract. This is automated, removes the human factor, and assures collection. Contract expectations. 2-year contract, capital, $30,240 US. Staking term, 24 months, 3-year contract, capital, $30,240 US. Staking term, 36-month, insurance fee, $210 US per month, handling fee, $30 US per month, loan interest bank variable, 6.75% per year, staking rewards, daily compounding, yes, contract fee, $100 US deposit with cryptocurrency. It means because of these 4 contributes, profits with the addition of compounding. Let's take a look at the contract expectations and the power of compounding. 1. DeFi staking contract. 2. Account holder. 3. Banks. 4. Insurance company. Insurance, processing fee, and annual interest fee is paid by the generated staking profits. Past results are no guarantee of future successes. Putting it all together. Account holder has a contract, example 1 contract, $100. The bank provides the capital to the DeFi staking contract. Staking generates daily compounded profits. Each contract is insured by the insurance company. At the end of a contract term, the capital lent to the DeFi staking contract is paid back to the bank. All parties stand to profit from each and every contract. The account holder, participant, only takes care of a $100 US activation fee for this entire process. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.